Good morning everyone. Today I am Nati Sharma, student of class 8, and today I am with my team members Sanidhi, Nidan and Akshat, and now we are going to perform a group activity. So first of all I would like to call Sanidhi to give an introduction of Zomato.
Zomato is a popular Indian multinational restaurant aggregator and food delivery company that was founded in 2008 by Dipinder Goyal and Pankaj Chadha, initially named Foodie. The later renamed the company was later renamed the Zomato. Zomato is a global food delivery and restaurant and discovery platform. Provides services like food delivery, table reservations, and reviews. In 2015, Zomato acquired the Urban Spoon, which allowed it to enter and the North American market. Now proceed to Nidan.
Founded by Dipendra Goyal and Pankaj Chadha, it was started in 2008 Foodie Bay, a restaurant directory for Delhi NCR and headquartered in Goregaon, India. The company was renamed Zomato in 2010 to avoid confusion with eBay. Now proceed to Unnati.
So guys, as you can see, Zomato's business model. So first of all, in the chart is given that step 1, the Zomato will do the customer places order. Step 2, restaurant accept order and start preparing. Step 3, Zomato assigns delivery partner, and in the step 4, delivery partner reaches restaurant and pick the order. At the final step, order delivered to customer. Also, marketplace model connecting customer with restaurant is in Zomato, and logistics model for food delivery services we will provide. Subscription based Zomato like Zomato Gold Pro for premium users also it is there. If you will see in key revenue streams, so source of revenue that we will take on is restaurant advertising is 72% of total revenue, food delivery 2% of total revenue, subscription model 7% of total revenue, then live event 12% of total revenue, white label access 3% of total revenue. Zomato Gold will take the 7% of total revenue, and the commission on food delivery orders we will take subscription revenue from Zomato Pro, advertising revenue from restaurants, and Zomato Hyperpure for B2B supply chain services. Now proceed to Akshat.
In screen, you can see the services provided by Zomato. First, food delivery. So sometimes Zomato offered free shipping to our home. Second, restaurant discovery and reviews. Third, table reservation, giving to order Zomato to decorate and give like for a table reservation. Fourth, grocery delivery in select locations. That means they provide us grocery. In e-activities, these are the same things, just like food delivery, restaurant discovery, and others. Now you proceed, Unnati.
So, in customer segments, users can find new restaurants with an extensive range of new. Best for people who want to order food online and prefers doorstep delivery. People who want to place orders from nearby cafes or nearby restaurants. Customer relationship. Excellent customer services they will provide in app chat feature, like the Zomato have so many apps, so in the chat you can order, and an active presence on social media. The Zomato have an active presence on social media and a account manager also. Now proceed to Sanidhi.
Zomato's value proposition is about accessible, affordable, and so many. Smooth food delivery with the updated and cancellation policy, smooth and secure online payment system, no minimum order online payment system, no minimum order restriction, multiple payment options, bridging the gap between customers and restaurants through a digital platform. Now proceed to Unnati.
So if you will see in market presence and expansion, Zomato expanded globally through a combination of acquisitions of local companies and organic expansion into new markets without competition. Some of its early international acquisitions included companies in New Zealand, Slovakia, Czech Republic and Poland. A major acquisition was of Urban Spoon in US in 2015. Operates in 20 our country. Strong presence in India, UAE and Southeast Asia. Acquired Uber Eats India in 2020. If we will see in competitors and market positions, so the competitors are included Swiggy, Uber Eats and DoorDash. One of the largest food delivery platform in India is Zomato. Focus on technology and customer experience also. So now proceed to Samithya.
Challenges and opportunities. Challenges: high competition, delivery, logistics, and profitability. Second, opportunities: expanding into new markets and launching new services. Third, growth in online food delivery demand. Now proceed to Unnati.
So, the future outlook of Zomato. Focus on sustainability and profitability, which the Zomato was doing, and investment in technology and innovation. Expansion into new business verticals. Zomato is forecast to grow earnings and revenue by 36%, 36.6% and 25.6% per annum respectively.